Hey, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use leader stats. Leader stats is practically just the leaderboard in this top right area, and yeah, let's get into this. So I'm going to start by inserting a script into our server script service, and the first thing you want to do is get our players, and then use a player added event, just like this. And next what we want to do is define our leader stats. Equal leader stats equals instance dot new folder. Leader stats itself is practically just a folder that just carries the different values that are in it that are going to be displayed in our top right area. And yeah, so also be sure that your leader stats is named leader stats as is on the screen, like this, where it won't show in the top right. We want to parent this leader stats to the player. Okay, now time for the values. First, let's start with what's a value that I might want to use? How about coins? Oh, cool. Coins equals instance.new, and let's use an int value. So an int value is just an integer value that we're going to be using for this. Coins dot value. Actually, let's do the name first. Coins dot name is going to be equal to coins, and coins dot value is going to be equal to 0 at the start. This is just our start value. You can increment this as you go along, but we're just going to start it at 0 for each player. And now we want to parent this to our leader stats. Okay, let's give it a test. You can see it's up in the top right along with my name. Our coins. That's nice, but you can also add more if you want. For instance, local text is equal to instance.new string value. I'm just going to show you guys that you can also add text into these leader stats, and it doesn't have to be just numbers. So our text dot name, I'm just going to have it text, but you can kind of make this anything you want, name it anything you want, and put kind of any text that you want. So the text dot value is going to be equal to hey. And I'm going to also parent this to our leader stats. And it should show up in the top right. Yep, choose my text value as hey. You can still change this to anything, like if I put a subscribe, it'll show up as that, but it does cut off a little bit. Alright, well, this is kind of how you do it. This is kind of how you add leader stats to your game. Yeah. Also, if you're going to change these, make sure you're changing them on the server so that your game doesn't get confused about what's going on. And it also won't show for other players if you change these on the client. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.